Right, so good afternoon to all of you. Today we will going to see a topic from compound interest. Basically, I'll be telling you how to attempt questions. It's a different kind of technique which can be included in our pattern. Okay, so let's take a simple question. For example, I am just taking a simple question from compound interest. That is, a principal of 20,000 rupees is given to me. Okay, and interest rate is given as 5%. Okay, and I have to find compound interest on it. Okay, after given a time period of 4 years. Okay, so now basically in most of the examinations you won't see such a big number for time period. Okay, but still we are taking it just to tell you how easily we can do it with the different method that I am going to tell you today. Okay, so first of all, for calculating the amount, that is amount is equals to principal, that is 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4. This is the basic formula that we study in our school curriculum or something. Okay, but now if I put these values into it, now remember I have to calculate compound interest. There is no direct formula for compound interest. First of all, I have to calculate the amount, and then I have to reduce principal out of it. That I have to subtract principal out of it, and that's how I am going to get my compound interest. Okay, now if I start calculating, alright, so once I am reaching for the values, that is interest rate is nothing but 5 upon 100. Okay, raised to the power 4. Okay, now just for clear interpretation, I can tell that this will gonna be a tiresome process for me. Okay, because this will be quite tedious, as I have to take, like if I cut this will be 20, then this will come up to 21 upon 20 whole to the power 4. Okay, now I have to calculate 21 to raise to the power 4, which is quite tedious. Okay, so this is the formula method, but we won't want to use it. Okay, let me show you how we can approach these kind of questions, and there is a particular concept from which we can calculate compound interest. Okay. Alright, so there is a concept called as Pascal's triangle. Okay, there is a concept called as the Pascal's triangle. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Now, Pascal's triangle is a pattern in which different numbers are written. Let me explain what that pattern was. If I write 1, 1, okay. Now, it will obviously in a triangle shape as its name states. Alright. This can go on to the infinity. Let's see how this is made. Now, all the series of it will start with 1. Okay, on both the sides. It's 1, 1, okay, 1, and so on. Okay, right. Then, when it comes to what we will do is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, now for this series, I have to add these two, that is 1. Then we have 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, this was 1, 2, 1. Then next 1, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, next 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4 10, then 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so I'll gonna get a lot of series like this. Okay, a number of series, a series of quite these kind of numbers. Now what actually I'm gonna tell you, we will gonna find a relation between these series, this number series and compound numbers. Alright, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, then what I am gonna take is, if I have to find the compound interest or even the amount for 2 years, I am gonna use this series for 2 years. Okay, I am gonna use this for 3 years, this for 4 years, and so on. Okay, and I can extend it to whatever limit I want. Okay, alright. So we will wanna use, as the question stated that I have told, it is asking for the compound interest of 4 years. Okay, so this 14641, this is what we will wanna use to compound to calculate the compound interest. Okay, 14641. Okay, let's see how it's done. Now I'm just writing that series 1 4 6 4 1. Now let's see how this, it has to be fit on those numbers. Let's see. Principal was 20,000 rupees. My rate was 5%. Okay. Then time given was 4 years. Okay. And I have to calculate the compound interest. Okay. Now, remember one thing. If we will calculate both the things, compound interest as well as the amount. Okay, we'll calculate both of it from this single number series. Now, how it's done? 5%. Okay, so remember how I am writing and then how I am putting those values into consideration with respect to these numbers. Okay, let's see. Now 20,000. Even with a single arrow, I can find out. Okay, 5%. Okay, so 5% of 20,000. Okay, 5% of 20,000 will be 1,000 rupees. It's quite simple. You can calculate it in this manner: 20,000 into 5 upon 100. So this will gonna come up to 1,000. Okay. Now 5% of 1,000 will be 50. Okay. Again, 5% of 50. 5% of 50 will be 2.5 rupees. Okay. And then if I take 5% of it, so it will come up to 0.125 rupees. Okay. Well, right now I just don't have to write this. Alright. So I have been asked to calculate compound interest and amount for 4 years. Okay. That's why I am doing this for 4 times. Okay. If in question I have been asked for 5 years, I will continue this process. Okay. For 5 times. If 5 years is asked. Alright. Then as compound interest and amount. Now we will fit these things. Okay. These things into these numbers. How? Okay. If I have to calculate amount, then what I will do? 20,000. I will write 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. Got it? Okay. So I have written these numbers in this pattern. Okay. Then what's next I have to do? I just have to multiply these. 20,000 into 1, that is nothing but 20,000. 1,000 into 4, which is 4,000. Okay. Then 50 into 6, that is 300. Then 2.5 into 4, that is 10. And at last 0.125 into 1, which is nothing but 0.25. Now I just have to add it up. Okay, so it is 125 0 1 3 4 2 24310.125. This is my total amount that I will gonna recover after 4 years at the rate of 5% interest charged on 20,000 rupees principal. I hope it's clear. Okay, so 24,310.125 rupees will be my final answer for amount. Now, see, you can do it like this, alright, and subtract principal from it if you want to get to the compound interest, or else you can do one more way. Just eliminate this thing. Okay, eliminate this thing. That means just don't write this. It's quite simple. You have to skip this process. Okay, so then 4,310 and 0.25. You just add it up and you will get the answer as 4,310 rupees 0.125 paisa. I hope it's clear. Okay, so this is the entire concept that has been derived from the Pascal's triangle method. Okay, I hope it's clear, and I guess this is all for the demo class. Okay, so please do tell me how it is, and if any rectification is required, your insights will be welcome. Thank you.